Our customer complained that his LED won't display after Windows installation. So let's fix this. Hi everyone, welcome back to Celltronix. Today let's fix resolution issue. First you need to go to safe mode. We already made a video how to get into recovery mode, and from there we'll choose safe mode. Here in recovery chose a fonts option, then chose troubleshoot, after that advance option, and finally startup settings. Now press restart and wait till reboot. When reboot done, this screen appear with these option. Press 4 to get into safe mode. Then here open settings, then type display settings. One window open, low down the display setting. Then save and reboot. After your reboot, just wait. And there you go, your resolution settings are fix. Now again open settings and then chose the desired display settings form resolution menu. That's all for today. See you in next video very soon. God bless us all, especially brothers and sister in Palestine and Gaza. Ameen.